What?
People using the ski school line.
I know.
Looks like there's two women in the last lift in the singles line together.
I know.
Side by side. It's like, at
Scummy.
least don't make it obvious.
I know.
At least pretend like you're single, go behind each other. Like, no one would know.
Scummy.
Yeah.
That is major scum.
Scum. Sue was so funny. She's like, "Where's the lift? The lift! The lift's in here. It's a double."
This is another one they upgraded.
Yep. You had any good jumps today?
Yeah, there have been a couple.
This one looks pretty legit. Watch.
Yeah, some of these down here look awesome. I want to lap this.
Dad and I were like, if we're staying on that other lift, we're just gonna go back to the other side.
Oh yeah,
The Alpine Springs?
Yeah, that was a joke.
But
But it's the only way to get to here
Yeah.
yeah,
without doing the circ, and that was a joke.
yeah.
Those people like, I liked it that they eventually got like the people down on the snowmobiles to be like, hey, don't do that.
They didn't even do anything. Yeah, Nick, you want to do this?
Yeah.
Alright, bet. Oh, that was one of the kids who was taking
What?
that was one of the kids who was camping for people to fall off.
Oh really?
Yeah. Him and two of his friends.
Well, I mean, some of the people at least knew what they were doing, but like some of them, it was like, oh, okay, you know, come on, seriously, if you aren't like 100% on Poma lift, you.
No, but then they had like ski school kids going up there. Like, what?
Well, no, but I'm saying the people who were camping out on the, getting the ones from the people who had sailed.
Oh, Nick, we got to do some trees here to get to this.
Alright, this is closed off. Watch.
Clearly not the bottom. I think this is closed off because look at that.
Yeah.
I think they just don't want you to go through here. You could probably get in that
Yeah,
way.
you can go around.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, this is one of the people.
What?
Remember?
Oh yeah, that was another one of the guys who was.
Yeah, and that was the woman. Like, it's like you don't forget the orange mohawk
Yeah. It's like,
because so many people have it on.
yeah. I swear, there's so many people who look like you guys. Like, there've been like 10 times that we've been looking for you. I'm like, oh, that's. Or when we lost Nick yesterday at Aspen, I was looking for him specifically, and I swear, I like 10 times, I was like, wait, that's Nick, and I was like, no, it's not.
Well, there's somebody who looks like Charlie.
Yeah.
Oh gosh, that like burger was a little too large.
you're gonna land like right on another one. Or if you did this too, you could hit 3 in like.
That's not ideal.
Huh?
So that's not an ideal setup.
It's kind of funny how like sometimes the wind dies down when we're up here, even though it's so exposed. Oh shit.